Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. So we're back. I'm back for quilting, I guess. Yeah. So we're back, all right. And I guess I need to. I don't know if I need to explain, but I'm gonna let you know that we took it. I took some time off. I needed it. It started. It started. The quilting started to become other people's and not mine. So I needed to distance myself from it and reevaluate where I was in my life. I was having some situations where I needed to get some help, and I got the help, and we're going through the help right now. And it remotivated me to come back into quilting. It got suggested to me that I should take it back up again, and they were right. So we came back. I rearranged my room. I uncovered everything, and yeah, I'm back in a way where I'm just gonna show you what I love to do and film it and get it out to those who want to quilt, beginners, new guys in quilting, um, and more centralize it for me and not for other people. Okay, I love teaching. Teaching is what I love to do, and that's what I'm going to do in quilting. So what I'm going to do is just produce videos and help new quilters and beginners and people who are lost in certain things, and we're going to move on from there. Okay. Sorry for the big pause. All right, but I needed it. My wife needed it. We needed it. Okay. And right now we're moving forward. All right. We're not looking back. We're moving forward, and this is how we're going to do things. All right. So look. So this is our room. We upgraded the room a little bit. Well, we didn't upgrade the room. We kind of like compartmentalized, and we moved some things around. Don't look over there. That's gonna be a project. Okay, my wife doesn't care. All right, don't worry about that. I'm hiding that. That's something different. Yeah. So we're gonna move forward, and thank you for the support. I really appreciate it, and I really, really, really love you guys. You guys have helped me get through this stage in my life and to move forward. And hopefully we'll create some great projects together. Okay. So yeah, there's a new item in the room. Okay. It's not new. It was a gift from Sandra, and Sandra knows who she is. I'm sure she's probably wondering where this thing has been. Yeah, we busted it out. We just haven't. That thing is intimidating. Okay, long arms are pretty intimidating, but we're gonna tackle that together. Why not? Okay. Oh yeah. Don't do not do not doubt that we are still going to be working on our brother. I love my brother. All right, so our brother is going to be doing the heavy lifting. Okay, and the gnome team will probably come into play. We're going to be learning that together. Okay. Yeah, that thing it's a beast and it's intimidating, and I'm trying to hide from it, but it's obviously not working. I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much for reaching out. Thank you for the care. Thank you for the texts and the messages. We really, really, really adore you guys. Thank you so much. And when we come back, we'll start sending some stitches downrange. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.